Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to your content class. Today, we will talk about our country. But first, let me ask you, do you know what is our country's name? That is correct. Our country's name is El Salvador. And you know, our country it's formed by 14 different departments. Here, I want to show you our map. So now that we have an idea of how it is our map, now we are going to learn 5 different vocabulary words related to the topic. The first vocabulary word is beaches. Please repeat the word after me. Beaches. Great. Some examples of beaches are El Tunco, El Cuco, Costa del Sol, and El Espino. Now let's continue with the second word, which is volcanoes. Please repeat after me. Volcanoes. Great. Some of the most popular volcanoes are Izalco, San Salvador, Chinchontepec, and Ilamatepec. The third vocabulary word is lakes. Repeat after me. Lakes. Here, I want to show you Coatepec Lake, Suchitlan Lake, and Ilopango Lake. Here, there are some of the examples that I wanted to show you. Then we have ruins, which is our fourth vocabulary word. Repeat again, ruins. Great. In our country, tourism is very, very important. And we have popular ruins like Tazumal, San Andrés, and Joya de Serena. And finally, we have the urban and rural landscapes. This vocabulary word is a little bit more complicated, so we will repeat it slowly, okay? Repeat after me. Urban and rural landscapes. Great job. First, I will show you 2 urban landscapes like Multiplaza and Divino Salvador del Mundo Monument. And then I have the rural landscapes like El Pital, Santa Ana's Church, and La Ruta de las Flores. Okay, guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you today. So I see you next class. Bye-bye.